Alpha, welcome to my show. My name is Abdul Nasir. Welcome. Today I want to talk to my friends. My female friends, online, offline, based on matter. Me and some girls will talk about this thing this afternoon. You understand? So I really need to bring them out. Bring them with you, girls. Your notice. I'm going to routine. I tell them, and I share their pain too. Share their worries. I want to talk to my female friends today. This is not what I get to talk to. They are not going to another diverse issues. Now, first, how somebody, not be women now, how somebody could day at all go say he or she no sabi cook. You go where? You no go where? I mean, how somebody go say you no sabi make eba as a guy, you no sabi make eba, make garri, just do and one can put water, turn on. You no sabi. You no go well. How as a guy you go say as you dey so you no sabi cook beans make e done. Some guy go cook beans. If na gas, they go finish all the gas. If na gas, I dey tell you, no matter how the big the size of the gas be, they go finish am just for beans of something like 3 cup wey they wan cook. I dey tell you, this one be joke o. If na stove you dey use, some people, I don't know how many litre whatever, but for the stove, some will finish all the kerosene wey dey inside the stove just to cook beans. How? And you go say that thing dey normal? E no dey normal. So my first point for the ladies, this one no be really the issue wey na dey go, but I really get to tell you this one because as a lady, you suppose know how to sabi cook. As I talk before, as a person, you suppose know how to sabi cook. If you no sabi cook, my word, if you no sabi cook anything, better me you no sabi shop anything. Na my word be that. If you know say you no sabi cook anything, they no sabi shop anything. Some people go even tell me say, some guys they go even tell me say they no sabi boil indomie. You say wetin they advertise that they do and say for TV or me. They don't say I be senior man and I get my there's what they call me king chef. You get to really prepare my own indomie. Let me just advertise. Junkie now. I mean my own pattern, if I arrange indomie here, you go run. It's only for example if you want shop super pack or hungry man, depending on your belly, you understand. It's only if I tell you do you take cook and self. How much you say that one? You spend like extra 2,000 of indomie here, then about 200. So if you cook indomie 200, then the ingredient 2,200. If you cook like that, that's how you cook my own. So today not be my matter. The guy get long truth. Today I talk to the guys. So the guys, I'm gonna sit down for corner. Matters. Point number one as I talk. Every girl need to know how to sabi cook. Now, point. I talk to my girls, the girls, female friends today, and people where they watch me. You where they watch me, talk to you. Now, it's my point. Every woman, I beg, try get something to do. First of all, get something to do. Some girls don't get anything to do, and they are about 25 years now. They don't get anything to do. They don't sabi do anything. All they do is when they wake up for morning, maybe they go one of their friend place shop, come out, fine. Or maybe they shop for us, fine. Or maybe they see one person say, bros, you send me 5,000 naira now, fine. That's not the only thing. Or the one when they come down, say, bros, give me 200 naira. Down now waiting they sabi do. Bros, give me 500 naira. That's what they go do from 25, 26, 27, 28. What be your problem? That's why you won't beg die. Huh? So that's why you won't beg from your 25 years old to your 80 something years old. What be your problem? Stop those things now. Don't go well now. As a girl, you're not supposed to beg things like that. Girls need self-esteem. I don't talk about something you carry shoulder up. Nobody want to talk about. But girls need people to respect you. And not only girls, every human being, for people to respect you, it must be who you are, not that they respect. Now who you be, not that they respect. If you be, for example, if you be a carpenter, maybe your carpentry, they do them properly well. They look and say, that guy is good, and they will respect you. So what I mean, I just use that one as an example. I don't talk to me, you could do carpenter. I talk to the guys, the guys, when I sit down for one corner. It must be who you are, and then they will take they respect you. So my first point, a girl is supposed to know how to do something with her own hands. Now see, not everybody go school. Now if you no get, maybe you no get the opportunity to go school, try learn something, try learn work. Now see what see my another point when I try drive. If you, for example, you learn how to do air, breathing, whatever different style, try learn another thing join your hand. Like try learn how to do bead, or try learn how to do cake. Join am. No look that one, that air wey you do na be your job, but try learn another thing join am. Na that point I dey go. You understand? So my first point be say, if you know say you be girl, you don dey go 20 years, and you don't know anything wey you fit do with your hand, start now. Find where you go for learn something to do with your hand. If not, a big problem you dey cause for yourself. Now you can say you don reach 25 years, still you never learn anything wey you wan do with your hand. You better start now, because a big problem you dey cause for yourself and to the society. People like us, if we dey there, it go become problem to us. You understand? So I need to put this advice to you. Now, the second point, remember I said I tell you, say even though you say you be tailor, for example, now, when you say you learn another thing what you do with your hand, the second point when they go be say, go agree say okay now you be person wey be say you no wan learn work, you come a person wey be say you wan go school. As you dey go school, no matter wetin you dey study, whether na lawyer, whether na doctor, whether na law, whether na doctor, whether na engineering, anything you dey study, whether accountancy, whether na anything you dey study, try still know how to do something with your hands. Try know how to do something with your bare hands, like bead making, baking, baking, tailoring, just mention that you know them now, but try learn something with your hands. So even though you dey go school, learn something with your hands, because study don't show, not only for girls, for everybody. Me, now my study, research when I do based on the who I be now, doctor, nurse, leave that matter. So my research, anybody will be say you get one thing where they do as his own job, you can get another thing where they do the support, and that person brain, the psyche for a brain, they advance past those where be saying only one thing they know and in their face. I tell you, gone are those days where they will tell you now only one work you go sabi. Now if you sabi 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 job, but make sure say anyone you try sabi, you sabi and well. Right now today yes, we are know over 10 different type of work when I do. Understand? Not my own we'll talk about today. Go another side. Now my point with this, learn something to do with your hand so that your brain self go advance. That now one. Now secondly, for the point when I try go about, if you no learn anything for the first place, you no sabi do anything, you no sabi, you no get any skills for the first place, you won't be say you just dey. Maybe guys when you know where they sabi you, they just come, they give small thing, you just flex, you know that one they satisfied with you. I'm gonna tell you the truth. No day like that go marry. Because even though you see one big guy when they get money, where they okay, when they marry you today, they spend everything for you, that guy go tire one day. That guy go always tire, because the guy go look and say, nah, my woman say, nah, just they pump money for your body every time. Say no reward. When I mean reward, forget about the picking, forget about the other side. When I do for the other room, no be that one where they go now. I mean, you know they utilize them. No way to utilize them. The guy go tire. Me, if not me, I go tire from the one. From the first day now I go tire. I tell you the truth. You understand? I no go fit marry somebody where you know get where they do something with hand. Even though you just dey come out from your first degree or second degree, whatever. Try get something where you do with your hand. They very important. If you dey hear me, they very important before you come. If that matter, my matter we talk today. So try. My point is try learn something with your hand, because if you don't enter the guy house, if you the guy, you know the first time they say love is blind, the first time they love with the catch the guy go they say my sweetie, if I love yeah. Better wake up, because you no go tell for that guy go tire for you, sir. The guy go look and say my woman self never sabi do anything, sir. Go just tire for you. So that guy go just come up for hours, 4 days. So they call am for a different meeting. For a man to respect you when he don't marry you, the truth be say now your quality for your body. You see, like what I talk, that one will be another video, but I'll just brief you now. Love to me, that love where you see before they fade. That love where will catch you for the first time. The reason now they fade. Sharply don't fade. If sharply you don't tire yourself. But you know what thing will make the love sustain? You'll be like, I want to make the example. You'll be like the sky as this so. You'll be like the sky this so. Sky don't raise up, it don't reach one level, it can't tire. Now you get some things, some pillar when you hold on for the world, like 4 pillars or 6 pillars when you hold on for the world. Now, if your love don't go up, don't tire, no way to go again. The only thing where go fit hold am, where go make am sustain for your marriage or for your life, na the pillars dem when you hold am. And the pillars dem when you hold am na the quality of the woman and the quality of the man. I tell you, that na my own research when I do, and that na the result. AKA Dr. Nas. Go there, check me, you see me. Now, see my point here. Love will expire. Now your quality will make your love less sustainable. Because when the expiration date don't reach, now those things now go to neutralize, ingredients and whatever. So my point, I repeat my point many times so that you will understand. Try to get something with your hand. No go marry without you know sabi do anything. It no go pay you. It no go help you. Me, I tell you point. A lot of marriages deny say after like 2 years, you guys have done tired. You don't know what will happen. Forget the other side, what if it happen. I tell you, so most of them, number one, the girl no sabi cook. The first time the guy believes if he manage, at least they go buy food for hotel every time. But then when they reach one stage, himself tired for life. You can look at what they happen here now. Before you know, say that they won't marry the woman where they cook food or the girl where they cook food. Sorry, I don't want to word the girl where they cook where they sell food. You understand? Based on say you look and say that girl go fit provide better food for am. So try wake up, sabi cook first thing. Secondly, get something where you fit do with your hand. Be active, be productive, let your brain sharp. If your brain dey okay, you sabi do something with your hand, you dey creative. No guy, I repeat, no guy, even if the guy go wrong go based on 1 or 2 issues for outside, the guy go still wrong come back based on 2 matters. Based on say number 1, you dey organized within. Number 2, you dey responsible. Yes, when I say organized within, I mean your training, whatever. When I say responsible, you know what I mean. You know, say you the back for the guy every time, shouting and you expect the guy to come back. And the guy want to come back. But if you dey responsible and you know you dey organized, you dey equipped, that guy, if that guy run for 5 years, for 10 years, that guy go come back. I mean to tell you. So now I'm waiting smart bring to your notice. If you be that kind of person basically don't sabi 1 or 2 things, where be girls, when I talk to, congratulations, shake me. Congratulations, you understand? Based on matters, congratulations, you understand? But if you know say you get friends who never sabi anything, try and encourage them to sabi something. Me, I be guy, I tell you, I no fit marry woman when no sabi do anything with her hand. It no go work, eh? It no go work. One thing no go work, one way no go work. I have to tell you, I'm not like saying that talk, so it no go work. So try advice for friends when you know say she never upgrade, make sure upgrade. Till next time my video, if you get into the comment, send me email for my email. If you like my pattern, subscribe YouTube. You see my YouTube this thing will scroll around your screen, you understand? Subscribe don't be money, just put in your email address, that's all. You understand? Next time for the next video, if you get anything to allow me, Peace.